Hello everyone, a big welcome to all of you. In this video, we will cover part 3 of banking awareness, financial awareness section for the month of March. This will be a continuous monthly MCQ series. March part 1 and March part 2 is already uploaded. You can check that in the playlist section of my channel. January series and February series, all 4 parts are also uploaded. They are also available in the playlist section. This will be a regular series for SBI Junior Associate, SBI Probationary Officers, IBPS Mains Exam, RRB Mains Exam, RBI Grade B Prelims, RBI Assistant Mains Exam. So, we will cover banking and financial awareness of each month in 4 parts. Each part will have 10 plus MCQs. And overall, we will cover 50 plus MCQs for each month. Weightage of banking awareness and financial awareness section in IBPS Mains, SBI Mains, RBI Assistant Mains Exam is around 15 plus out of 40. In RBI Grade B Prelims Exam, around 25 plus question out of 80 come from banking awareness and financial awareness section. So before covering MCQs, just take a look at the banking mergers of recent past. Oriental Bank of Commerce and Indian Bank of India merged into PNB, Syndicate into Canara, Allahabad into Indian, Dena and Vijay into Bank of Baroda. I cover this section in all of my videos so that the aspirants will remember this very easily. Shortcut for headquarters. If any bank name contains Bank of India, their headquarters is in Mumbai, like Bank of India, Central Bank of India, IDBI, SBI, Union Bank of India, RBI. They contain Bank of India in their name, so their headquarters is in Mumbai. It's a shortcut trick. If bank name starts with Indian, their headquarters is in Chennai, like Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank. If bank name starts with Punjab, their headquarters is in New Delhi, like Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. If bank name starts with United, its headquarters is in Kolkata, like United Bank of India. So let's start the MCQ series. Dash Payment Bank got the status of Scheduled Commercial Bank after getting included in the second schedule under the RBI Act 1934. It's a very easy question. It is Fino Payment Bank. Fino Payment Bank, it has recently got the status of Scheduled Commercial Bank and it is also included in the RBI Act 1934. What is the tagline of Fino Payment Bank? It is Qadar Aapki Mehnat Ki. There's a question for static. Tagline of Fino Payment Bank, Qadar Aapke Mehnat Ki. Next question. What is the tagline of Indian Bank? Tagline of Indian Bank is your own bank, banking that's twice as good. Who is the CEO of Indian Bank? Padmaja Chanduru. Indian Bank headquarters Chennai. Next question. ADB has raised over $307 million from the first Panda bond issued in more than a decade. Which country's currency will be issued in Panda bond? So Panda bond has been issued by Asian Development Bank and Panda bond will issue currency of China, that is Chinese currency Panda bond. Next question. Dash was approved by SEBI to provide IPO application, that is Paytm. Paytm got approval from SEBI to provide IPO applications. So you can issue an IPO through Paytm. That service was available only on brokerage websites like Zerodha, Upstox, but now you can also get IPO applications through Paytm. So good development by SEBI, and just remember this. Where is the headquarters of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Headquarters of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is in Bangalore, Karnataka. Who is CEO of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Nitin Chugh. Tagline of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, build a better life. Just remember, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank headquarters Bangalore. Dash heads advisory committee of RBI that evaluates applications for universal banks and small finance banks. So that advisory committee is headed by S. Gopinath. S is Shamala Gopinath. Shamala Gopinath heads Advisory Committee of RBI, that is for universal banks and small finance banks. Just remember this. And who heads the committee for digital lending? That is JK Dash, Jayant Kumar Dash. Next question, what is the full form of SAST? SAST full form is Substantial Acquisition of Shares and Takeover. SAST is a regulation by SEBI. So SAST is a name of regulation, that is Substantial Acquisition of Shares and Takeover. Recently, SEBI has fined steel company that has violated SAST regulation. So in that context, SAST is important. Full form of SAST is Substantial Acquisition of Shares and Takeover. So just a short overview of products that have been launched. There is one product called D2R. D2R is distributor to retailer, that has been launched by fintech company called BharatPe. And the purpose is to provide collateral free loan up to rupees 50 lakh. And that is exclusive for SME. SME is small and medium enterprises. Small and medium enterprises. So D2R launched by BharatPe. Unicarbon card is a contactless credit card launched by Union Bank of India. You can easily remember this. Uni Carbon card, Union Bank of India. Uni Carbon card, Union Bank of India. And PNB is also launching credit card by setting up subsidiary, that is PNB Cards and Services. You can easily remember Union Bank of India. Where is the headquarters of Union Bank of India? It is in Mumbai because it contains Bank of India. Where is the headquarters of United Bank of India? It's in Kolkata. So this is it for part 3. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Meet you in the part 4 video. Thanks.